Hey you guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. So this wig is from luvmehair. It is their classic dark plum body wave 5x5 closure, undetectable lace, 100% glueless wig. I have it in 16 inches and this wig also comes in 180% density across board. So I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing to show you everything that comes along with this wig. You guys know when it comes to luvmehair, we're gonna have a quick, easy, and glueless install. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of that undetectable lace. The knots are super small. The wig also does come with an elastic band, combs, and the adjustable straps at the bottom. That way you can have a tight fitting. So they send you the wig pretty much ready to go. The lace is pre-plucked, and because it is an undetectable lace, the knots are super small, so it's giving scalp. It melts right into my arm, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna show you guys how easy it was to install this wig. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another luvmehair wig install, and I'm super excited to install this wig today. So this is the wig right here. This is their classic dark plum body wave 5x5 closure, undetectable lace, glueless wig. This particular wig does come pre-plucked. As you guys know, it's a closure, so they pretty much sent it to you ready to go, 100% glueless. I have it in 16 inches. Now the good thing about this wig is that even though it's a closure, it's a 5x5 closure. Therefore, you can do a middle part, you can still do a side part, you can also do like a C-curve part. You're still able to kind of switch it up every now and then, even though it's a closure. And being that it's glueless, you don't have to do that hassle of constantly like removing glue off your forehead and pulling out your edges. That's not cute. So with this wig, you do not have to do that. You guys know I rave about luvmehair all the time, and one of the main reasons why is because their wigs always come looking super natural, especially when it comes to the lace. Now the lace is an undetectable lace, therefore the knots are really small. So when you get the wig, you really don't have to bleach the knots if you don't want to. Now me personally, I did bleach the knots on this wig, but if you want to see what luvmehair wigs look like without you bleaching or plucking the lace at all, I will put the link in the description box down below as to the one that I did where like I didn't bleach the knots, I didn't pluck it, anything like that, and it was still giving super natural. Now I'm not gonna lie, I'm really excited to install this one because I don't think I've ever had a dark plum color wig before, and I want to see what it's gonna look like on my skin tone. Based on their description, they say the color is supposed to help to brighten up your face, and I want to put that to test. Just so you guys know, this is a body wave texture, so we are going to be curling this wig today, but let's go ahead and jump in with the install. Okay you guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is throw the wig on my head. I definitely made use of that elastic band and the combs and the adjustable strap because I wanted the wig to fit as tight as possible. Once I was secure with how the wig was looking, then I cut off all that additional lace that we do not need. Okay, all that lace is gone, so now I'm going to go in with my Ebin melting spray, and I'm just going to do a few dabs of that on the lace just to really hold it in place and get that melt. And then I'll be using an elastic band, and I left it on for about like 10 minutes or so just to really make sure that the lace was laying still. Once I remove the elastic band, I'm just giving you guys a close-up now just to show you what the lace is looking like. This is without makeup, by the way. Now I'm going to be adding some cream foundation from Ruby Kisses, and I'm just dabbing that on the lace itself. Again, giving you guys a close-up just to show you how easy it was to just melt that lace right into my scalp. so remember I said when it comes to 5x5 closures, you can do a side part, a middle part, a swoop part. So I'm going in with the swoop part because that's how I saw it on the mannequin on the website. So I really wanted to recreate that, and I just feel like it was giving side swoop. I don't know. But I'm going in with my wax stick and my hot comb, and what I like to do is I go part by part, mainly because I want the top of the wig to be laying as flat as possible. So I'm just going to let you guys watch because that's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, one side is finished and it looks really good. Like the hair curls really well. So now we're gonna do the other side. And just so you guys know, Luvme hair wigs is always like good quality. As far as like the hair in itself, like shedding wise, tangling wise, I never have any issues with them. So sorry if you feel like I'm not being too descriptive of the hair itself, but the hair literally gives me no issues. And look at these curls. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna use some of this Garnier Sleek and Shine spray. It's a heat protection, gets rid of flyaways, make sure that your curls aren't frizzy and all that good stuff. So just like I said, the hair is so easy to work with, and I feel like when it comes to Luvme hair, they're one of the main brands that I would immediately go to if I needed a new wig. Like, their wigs are always top quality, and you could tell that they put effort into each unit that they make. I've never had a personal issue with them. Their hair is luxurious, and I feel like you're getting luxury wigs without breaking your pockets. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it was to curl this hair. The hair took to the curling iron extremely well. All the hairspray did was just help with the flyaways, but everything else was just the quality of the hair. Alright, you guys, look at these curls. Oh my god, they are so freaking pretty. So now I'm just gonna go back in with my wax stick and my hot comb and just really make sure that the top is flat before we comb out the curls. So really quick, I'm going to add some of that same foundation in the part because this is something that I always forget. So I'm just adding some makeup in the part so that it blends in with the rest of the lace. But I'm pretty sure you guys could tell, like, you can't even tell I have a wig on. It's giving scalp. So now I'm using a wide tooth comb to comb out those curls. Go as gently as you want to, and depending on how you want your curls to look, you could keep combing through it, you know, semi comb through it, whatever you prefer. I normally just mess with it until I get it the way that I want it to look. Alright, you guys, what do you think? I actually really like it, and it was so easy to install. Undetectable lace, 100% glueless. The lace came pre-plucked. It's actually an HD lace. It's giving natural. I love it. This one is definitely a keeper. I be trying to tell you guys that Luvme Hair is really that girl. Alright, you guys, you know what I'm going to ask you. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate this wig? I feel like this wig is definitely a 10. I love the color. It's not black, it's a dark plum color. I absolutely love it because it's still giving you that darkness, but not too dark. Make sure you guys check out my description box. I will have all the links right there for you. Thank you for tuning in, and shout out to Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video.